ร้านมะพร้าวตรงบันไดสู้เหรอ It's a liquid coming out a lot. If you squeezing not good, liquid not coming out, your dish tastes like nothing. Tastes like water. And then we're gonna do squeezing around 2 to 4 minutes. Coconut cream.
Oh, more.
This one is for coconut. Good background.
Oh, okay.
So this one you put head is saved on because more flavorful in the dish. Like this, okay? Because if you lowering the heat down, and also with the kaffir lime leaf, the lime leaf on in. We're gonna do press the lemon grass down gentle, be gentle. Gentle press. It's a coconut, so it can be fragile. This milk.
And the chili?
Yes, chili as well. We're gonna cook until tomato skin peel, mushroom turning more soft. Coconut. In the 1 2 check 1 2 check. Okay. Pandan extract. You wanna smell? The same thing, but that's but today we not use. We have sugar.
1 whole cup. How much cups is that?
Secret.
Okay.
Only to be. For color, how we have butterfly pea flower for making blue. Normally original is gonna be white, but today we're making
Oh, the blue rice.
yes, we're making blue
That's
rice.
how they do it, blue.
And then we got this. It's a coconut that we make before.
Oh, that's our cream we made.
Yes. And mix together making sauce. And then since this one is gonna be take time to cook, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. Okay? We're gonna do press the flour the whole time. First, so the color gonna coming out more faster. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Just press mostly the flour.
So you just press it.
Press the flour. And then you can help me this one. You like mango sticky rice?
Yeah, I love it. So good.
It's the best time to eat the mango sticky rice now.
Yeah, a lady in customer at the market says she makes them really good.
2, 1, start. Ta-da!
Oh,
Pink. Only the rice only not that much. It should be in the same level, not too much and not too dry. Too much rice gonna be wet. Too dry rice gonna be too hard. To make sure that every grain they got the liquid in.
Nice.
Then we're gonna do resting first around 30 minutes. If you're eating right away, it's gonna be like a porridge. Like too hot as well. Thai dessert mostly eating room temp. Not too hot, not too cold. A little bit coconut, so it's not too dry. Okay, this one finished. I love to resting with pandan for smell good. So we got the rice, we got the sauce. Are you ready for the next one? So this one we raise fish, sauce done. Happy New Year. You can carry this one. Go. So many things.
Ooh, that's
So,
nice.
we got to use a lot of seasoning cup as well. But I will show you one thing. And can open the big fire first. 9 o'clock. Maybe can I change you to here? That one is a low heat. You guys can be teamwork together.
Soy, bean oil, and garlic.
And
We hope for the best.
it's very tricky.
Is it?
It's hard.
Yeah.
Even for Thai.
Yeah. You can do it. And then water.
I'm gonna try to clean the side so it's not burning.
And then
Flip, flip, flip. And then we're gonna do one corner circle, like making pasta. Because the liquid they're gonna go inside the noodle more faster.
yeah.
Circle. Some cooling down. Wanna try?
Wow, what is it?
I can show you the picture. Oh. This tree, I already toasting like a 1 minute on the wok pan already, high heat. If you're not toasting your spice, your curry taste golden brown.
So you're
And-
gonna toast it, and can you just say what they were again?
It's a coriander seed, but coriander seed, this one black peppercorn, this one is a cumin.
Cumin.
Cutting small, lemon glass also small ค่ะ
Like
on
beef,
the like mince.
beans, and
9 o'clock. Gonna do mix all together. Mostly the paste,
This
the
one
chicken all
doesn't have
together.
fire?
One more time. Maybe I change you here. It's just low heat. And then we're gonna cooking our curry until turning more dry, like simmering, okay? But first you can put in these 2 cups here. We got fish sauce, sugar can put in now, okay?
in now.
Yes. Fish sauce, sugar in. We have tamarind a little bit.
Fish sauce and some palm sugar.
And then mix the whole thing.
So the green was just from the that
Chili.
chili
Yes.
to make it green.
Yes, mostly yes.
Oh, interesting. Isn't it? Or non-gluten? Doesn't have gluten.
They don't have.
Yeah.
They don't have. They are hard.
Oh yeah. Oh, so we're just molding it. Oh, pretty.
So finish, you put that on the banana leaf, okay, free inside.
Uh-huh.
Mostly half. You wanna pack